Welcome back. It's a great day to be at the workbench. Come and join me and I'll show you what I've been working on. In this video, I'm going to show you how I put together shave kits. I got a few of them here on my bench that I've completed. But before we get to that video, I want to show you something else that came in the mail. Let me pull this camera around. So yesterday in the mail, I got my K40 CO2 laser. I've got an upcoming series where I put this together and see how it works in the shop. So let's take a look at the leather kits that I make. So one of the things that I do on mine that makes them different is I put hopefully you guys can see that, I put a water resistant liner in, and then I also roll the edges that butt up next to the zipper. So let's get started. I hope you enjoy this video.
So let's take a break of the construction video, and I want to talk about one last step I do in making these bags. I can typically get around 6 or 7 bags out of one side of leather. So what I do is, before I finish all the bags and put them on the shelf for sale, I leave a few bags with one end open. That way, if a customer wants their name stamped in the handle or a custom handle, I can do this really quickly and install that, and the turnaround time is fairly quick, and they can get a custom bag. So all that we got left is to sew up the sides and turn the bag inside out, so let's finish them up. Hope you really enjoyed watching me make this leather bag. If you want to watch future videos, please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notifications when I put out a new video. Also, click the links for my other videos that I'll put up in the top corner. Until then, keep on making.